Hey folks, Major, this is Dr. Pink, and I've been to the Klöntaler yesterday and got to get some inspiration, and this is what came out in these really hard times with this terrible coronavirus, which is, I don't know what I think about this. I thought makes sense to do something uplifting for everybody out there. You can play it, feel great, feel the color green, and just relax and feel happy. Yeah, stuff like that. So it sounded pretty sophisticated probably for you, but we're just checking out the main theme, which is probably possible for most of you players out there, and it's really very peaceful, very uplifting, and yeah, just pick out your jazz guitar if you have one, or your guitar, put a clean sound setting. In this case I'm using a Roland Jazz Chorus amp. I have a reverse delay mostly on my sounds, but you can play without delay. And then we are ready to get started. The chords of the song are very simple. It's a little loop. It's a 1-6-2-5 progression with C major to A minor 9. So C major 7 is this one here. 3rd fret, 5th, 5th, 4th, 2. E minor 9, just a borrow in the 5th, pinky on the 7th, and then D minor 7, just the normal D minor 7 here in the 5th fret, borrow this one in the 6th, and this one in the 7th, and to G13, and first is a G sus9, and then we don't play the chord, and then we play this chord. Let's see how it's played. And so on. It's really simple. I'm not going too much into detail what you have to do here. Just play the chords. C major 7 to A minor 9 to D minor 7 and this one. And this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the main figure, but it's not part of the main part of the tutorial, just that you know the chords. It's a 1-6-2-5 progression. Now let's see the theme. It's really one nice theme. Well, I think it's a nice theme. It's a little bit sweet, maybe too sweet, but we want to have a nice mood today. That's why I've chosen this little bit sweet theme. And we're playing it in the key of C, so we're playing this scale here. 8, 7, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 5, 6, 8, 5, 7, 8. And we're also going up in the upper position. So we're playing also the C major pentatonics up here. I'm going to come to that later. Here, 8, 10, 7, 10, 7, 10, 7, 9, 8, 10, 8. So that's the major pentatonics of C major. Now the theme is this one here. It starts here with a little hammer on the lick here on the 5th fret. On count for 1, 2, 3. And then slide 8 back to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the first figure. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. And then we do the same thing again. 4 again. Again with this entry lick. Then we go in 5th, 6th back. This is basically where the D minor 7 is. And resolve 7, 5, 4. This goes direct to the major triad of the G7. So let's play the whole thing through. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4. Sorry, I can't wrong. Once again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 1, 2, 3. Now you play the whole theme again. But if we make it a little bit different, resolve, we start the same. But now we resolve different. Instead of sliding 8 to 5, we slide 10 to 7. This gives a slight shift in the sound, but it's the same rhythm figure. And the same figure comes again on the D minor. But now, instead of resolving back, we go up here, 5, 6 to 5, and then 8 to 7. And then it's resolved really nicely. So let's see how the whole thing sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So now it comes the solo part. Now we jump up the major pentatonics, but we want to escape a little bit for the sweetness. Also, when the strings come in, there's a lot of George Benson was a huge idol of mine, and some say he's too sweet to be a jazz guitar player, but he was really an awesome guitar player, and somehow it came also to his more commercial songs. So, one of the tricks to spice the whole thing up, now we're going to the major pentatonics here, 8, 10. You can noodle around here a little bit, and this is not improvisation part. So this will be the major pentatonics here. Here 10, 8, 10, 8, 7, 9, 7, 10, 7. So you can noodle around a little bit, but if you want to spice it up, you mix it up with the minor pentatonic. So How you do that? The minor pentatonics is this additional note here in the 11th fret, or this one here on the G string on the 8th fret. That one in the on the high E string we make the bend. We make with a bend, something like this. You can also like slide in. And if you want to go down and make it sound bluesy, this is a nice lick here. 7, 10, here 8, hammer on to 9, back. And this gives a great bluesy approach. You can noodle around. On the major pentatonics, but then when you resolve, give this bluesy kick here. And this is really cool, a cool effect. See how I brought in this note. It's really, really cool, nice, smooth, and gives a little bite from the extremely sweetiness. And if you point it at the right spot, it really is going to sound awesome, and that's what we exactly want. You start on with a theme, play it, you can make little variations, play it twice, then maybe you can play it a second time, the whole thing, and make it a little bit different, a little bit more intense, but then you go into soloing, give this little extra thing, and then we come back to the theme, and this is going to sound awesome. I'm going to show you how this will be, but I only play the theme once. 2. And so on. See, I really pulled apart the whole theme, mixed it up again with a solo part, or brought in the slight variated parts of the theme. And this is a way how you can develop a theme and really noodle around, have a lot of fun and joy. And that's what it's about. So it's not so much about the licks. I've tapped out for you the theme is as tabs. You can download in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. But and then you noodle around a little bit. These are not really licks here. As I said, just with this approach note here, this is what it really makes, and the rest is basically like as you play a blues. Noodle around a little bit, make slight bendings, then go back to the theme and mix the whole thing up. That's what it's all about. Yeah, folks, that was the happy smooth jazz tutorial. Pretty much in the style of George Benson, great idol of mine. Check him out. the old recordings where he just plays jazz is awesome stuff. Also the modern stuff like Breezing, well, modern stuff from the 70s. But commercial stuff, Breezing was an awesome record. A lot of his strings, some criticize him a lot because he used the string so much, but I somehow really love them. And they're also here in the backing track. Also, Lee Ritenour is a good protagonist to check out for smooth jazz or this kind of playing. Yeah, what more to say? Stay happy, guys. If you want to download the backing track and the tabs, sorry, I forgot, it's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Join there, our community. It's good in hard times to have a community. Yeah, even online now. Yeah, and stay happy, stay cool. All will be fine. Yeah, me and Dr. Pink are signing off for today.